If you want to take macro photos on your iPhone 16, this is actually the skin of my hand. So let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to turn on the photo mode. You have to remember about the good lighting condition because this is the essential. And you have to also remember to clean your lenses. Or if you have this, screen protector, you should actually clean this to get the best possible quality of your photos. Next, you will have to actually click on this icon. This will actually allows us to take the pictures with the macro mode. And now you will have to just put it close to the object that you want to capture. So that's how it looks with my skin. But I can recommend you also to click on the 2x because we will be able to zoom in. And take a look, we can actually find here a lot of details. Now when I'm gonna click on the shutter, the photo will be taken. There we go. And now we can find all of these photos. They are right here. So yeah, there's like actually a lot of details that we can find here. That's like pretty good macro photos. And yeah, that will be all. Thanks for watching. And right now, please subscribe.